on the golden dunes of Bulgaria. I'll be following you for the ride. I know that these days have been messing with you like a countless 3,000 man.
Ayun talagang ang liit na ng tiyan ko. Ba't nangihinig? Ang galing, nasa baba na naman yung zipper. Well, anyway, so yeah, welcome back to my channel. Oh my God. Finally, I'm starting to vlog again. Narinig niyo ba ako? Kasi hindi ko naririnig yung sarili ko, pero laban natin yan. So sabi, gate 5 daw ako. So nasa ng gate 5? Let's see. Ang daming tao. Ba't ako nandito? So yeah. This is the Melbs Airport. This is my bag. Yung walang tao. Gusto ko dun sa walang tao. Ba't ba kasi dinala ako si Kylie Jenner para may sarili akong aeroplano, di ba? Di ba? Pwede ba yun? Siyempre wag tayo doon sa mga Filipino kasi mga judgmental yung mga yun. Doon tayo sa malalaya sa Filipino. Let's see. Okay. So, ang nangyari, bumalik na din tayo kung saan tayo galing. So, okay, let's go. Okay. Let's get this. Siguro ito. Okay, hi guys. So, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the... Bakit parang magyoyosi yung... Ay, akala ko magyoyosi siya. Well, anyways, as you can see, nasa Melbourne Airport ako. I'm going to the Philippines just for a week. Kasi yun lang yung time ko. And the primary reason kaya ako pupunta in the Philippines is because I have a friend, I have a mate na pupunta sa Pinas and magtutour siya, and he wants me to tour him around. So, as mabuting kaibigan, wala akong choice but to go home. And also, gusto ko rin umuwi. I think I badly need to go home. Gusto ko lang medyo a breather sa mga nangyayari sa akin dito sa Australia, kaya umuwi ako. So, very biglaan to. 2 weeks ago ko lang to siya binook. And buti naman nag-align lahat ng schedule ko. Actually, nung Sunday, well currently Friday na, nung Sunday pa lang, or actually last week Thursday, pa rin ako umuwi sana. Pero, pinigilan ako ng family and friends ko kasi ayaw nila na nasa Philippines ako. Okay, wala akong sasabihin pala. Ba't ka pala sasabihin yan? Kasi syempre, issue na naman tayo, so wala tayong sasabihin. So, basta, ayaw nila akong umuwi after Monday. Ayaw nila akong umuwi before Monday. So, dapat Monday, nandito pa rin ako sa Australia. So, I'm taking Philippine Airlines this time. It's my first time to try Philippine Airlines sa Australia route nila. Pero, na-try ko na sila even before, nung nag-Japan ako. Okay naman sila. Pero based sa mga friends ko, sabi nila hindi daw okay ang Philippine Airlines. I don't know why. And sabi nila hindi daw mga Filipino yung mga flight attendants. So, nakaka-sad pero kebs na. To be honest, kanina nandun ako sa check-in area. Tinry ko lang naman makakuha ng business class. Pero puno na daw. May nagsabi kasi sa akin na para makakuha ka ng business class, you have to check in pinaka-late na. Yung parang pinaka-last ka mag-check-in. Kasi usually yung mga airlines daw nag-overbook. Pag nag-overbook na sila, wala silang choice but to give passengers business class. So, kanina tinry ko lang naman, nagpaka-late ako, nagpaka-bida-bida ako, nagpaka-main character ako, nagpaka-late ako mag-check-in. So, ang nangyari, ubos na yung business class. So, siguro kung feeling ko maraming mayamang Filipino, akong kasabay, naka-business class. Ang natira na lang is premium economy class, which is, no, it's a no for me. Kasi ganoon din magbabayad din ako eh. Ganito pala pag single, parang ang sakit naman. Or gusto mo makita outfit ko? Well, this is my outfit. Jacket is from Zara. This is Sando. This is from Zara also. This one is from H&M. And this one's from CDG. And yeah. Nilaban ko tong leather jacket kasi kahit pa Cardo Dalisay tayo dito, talagang ilalaban ko to kasi ang mahal na to. So, nilaban ko talaga to. Ang dami ko nang sinasabi as if naman may nakikinig sa akin, pero Kebs na kasi I'm so bored. Kailangan ba magpaka-aesthetic ako? Like, just like mga David Gizon, DG, mga Camille Co, Loreen Uy. Kailangan ba ganun dapat? Kasi kaya ko naman siguro. Pero, let's try. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo. Hindi ko alam paano ba mag-vlog. Ano ba to? Naiinis ako. Ang arte ko, pero kaya ko to. Pili ko magugulo na yung editor ko kasi sa first part ng video na to, sinasabi ko na kung anong nangyayari sa life ko. Then sa middle part ng video na to, sinasabi ko pa lang yung welcome back to the channel. Do your job. Kimi! Should I use the mic or what? Pero yeah, nagtatawag na sila ng mga business class and economy class. Pero hindi ko pa nakikita yung plane. Asan yung plane? Asan yung... Wala namang plane. Asan yung plane? Wala namang plane. Asan yung Philippine Airlines? Anyways. Guys, I'm so back. Yes. I'm so back. And hi guys! So, I'm here na. Can you say hi? So, say hi to the vlog. Hi kuya. So yeah, kanina pa ako nasa Manila. Pumunta na kami ng Binondo and we had our dinner there. And yeah, ano sabihin ko? So yeah, there's nothing to say. It's very tiring, very traffic. Manila is really Manilaing. So there's nothing to say. So I have to end this vlog kasi pagod na ako and there's nothing to see here na kasi magka-club na kami and that's it. Saan ba tayo punta, guy?
Party!
Okay. So hindi ko na kayo dadalhin sa party and then I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye! Hi guys! So, it's day 2. On the way kami sa Enchanted Kingdom and kasama ko na si Ces. Umuwi din siya from Davao para lang makasama ako because I'm special, you know? So, here we are. We're in the car. There's Kuya. There's Anton.
Complete siya.
There's Cheland. The usual cast. Hi guys! So, yeah, dapat masanay kayo na.
I-zoom niyo pa.
Bakit?
Buti na lang, ready yung mukha ko, yung pores ko close.
Okay, so
May lakad lang ni today.
on the way kami Enchanted Kingdom and then after that, hindi pa namin alam saan pupunta. Hi po! Oh yeah, siya yung map. Yeah, taga ano siya natin.
Crush ka daw ni Per.
So yeah, nag-breakfast sila sa house and then that's it.
Love ya.
This is my outfit for today. Adidas, wala, normal lang. Anong suot natin?
T-shirt from Ukay.
Okay.
Guy, braso from Mercedes.
Ala! Guy, inaano ka sa vlog oh.
Ano naman yung face ko sa'yo? Look the different.
T-shirt po dito.
Kaya nga, sabi ko sa'yo.
So finally we're here! Okay, so enchanted na kami guys. After how many years? Kailan last punta nyo dito?
I think high school pa.
Ikaw, like how many years na?
15 years.
Gamo, ay naman 15, 10 years ago lang. O yan, ginagawa tayo ganun kada dati. So napakainit, di ko alam bakit ako nagganito pero ilalaban natin to, di ba guys?
payat pa ako nun!
Payat pa kami lahat.
Oh my God!
Hoy! Anyway, ay gayon ba, hindi na?
Oo, hindi na.
Okay, so yeah. Ito ang aming accountant. So siya ang may connections. Connections that we don't have. So talagang lalaban namin to guys. So ito yung situation now. Sakto lang. Sakto na yung dami ng tao. Right? Right, Ces?
Yes.
Say hi.
Hi.
Stress yarn? Tigot na kami guys. Finally, gumana yung connections. Charot. So, talagang magkakasigawan, magkakalabasan ng esophagus dito. This is the mic.
Oh yeah. So hello guys, I hope you're happy to be with Sam because he's a nice influencer.
Of course. Go. Okay, let's go. First try, let's go. Saan tayo guys? Saan tayo? Come on. Laban natin to. O ito yung dancing disco eme. So first stop is Disco Magic. Let's go. Excited? Oh shit. Okay, so we're here in Rio Grande. Ayun, fresh mo dances. Julia Bica here. Julia Bungol. Ay, tawan-tawa. Tawan-tawa.
Sino ako dyan?
Sino siya dito? Very Liza. Liza made this. Kasi pwede kita ng mata. Okay, pagod. People of the Philippines, pagod kami. Pagoda. Pagoda na guys, pagoda na. And then, that's it. Hindi ko na alam paano gagawin. Tired. Tired already. And, laban. Okay guys, so we're done. We're done. Salamat sa... We're going home na. So, I think we'll have dinner in Alabang kasi malapit na dito sa EK. And we went to Disco Magic, Rio Grande. What else? Anchors Away. And then Space Shuttle. After that, napagod na kami, so umuwi na kami. And then we're heading now to our car. Kasi hindi namin alam kung saan nag-park si Kuya. But yeah, after this, we'll go to Alabang. Then we'll have dinner in Frankie's. And then after that, saan tayo punta guys?
Shot!
Yeah.
And remember to follow this beautiful guapo.
And then tomorrow, we'll go to Zambales. Okay, punta kami sa... Di ba Zambales tomorrow na?
Yeah.
Gaga, tomorrow ang Zambales. Tomorrow ang Zambales. So tomorrow we'll go to Zambales. And then... And then talagang magkakawalwala na naman doon na magkakaakyatan ng mga bulubundukin ng Zambales. So... Yeah. So, ang problema namin ngayon, nasan yung driver namin?
Diyan na naman.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so...
Diyan lang daw sa binabaan sa atin.
Anxiety. Yeah, masaya siya pero maraming tao. As usual, Enchanted Kingdom. So, expect naman namin tao, but it's fine. It was worth it, right? Worth it naman, right?
Yeah.
It was really worth it. It was fun. I mean, oh my God, ito pala yung maka-schoolmate ko. Parehas kami ng suot, guys! Guys, parehas kami ng suot! Paunahan makakita ng driver, let's go! Saan? Saan? Nakita niyo na? Anxiety. Welcome to my vlog. Grabe, fresh pa rin tayo dito, guys. Look.
Yeah, I see.
Ayun na guys, so parehas kami ng damit. Do you have like something to say to my followers?
Sure.
No, like anything.
Like, remember that he's single, so take a chance.
Sure. So hit me up guys. If you guys are single watching this, make sure to message me and shout out. I think this is the car. See? There's Kuya! Finally, there's Kuya! Yeah. Uy! Kuya! Okay, let's go. Car na kami guys. Okay, car na kami guys.
Ngayon na pumasok yung chat mo, kuya.
Fresh ka pa ba ang tanong?
Wala nga signal, no? Sa loob
So yeah,
din.
like what I've said, on the way kami sa Frankie's in Alabang to have dinner because I miss Frankie's so much. I've been dreaming every day to eat Frankie's again and finally the day has come. Ang arte! So yeah, on the way to Alabang!
Alabang girls.
God bless our trip. Bye.